Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be retouching my own dreadlocks. Yeah, rather these are not my dreadlocks, but these are artificial dreadlocks. These are shoulder length. My only hair is the black part, the other brown part is artificial dreadlocks. So the first thing I'll be doing is wash my dreadlocks. Like you should wash it at least a month or two. So this is me after washing it. Like I washed it and then I went to the sun, and yeah. So the thing I'll be doing right now is applying oil. Like you should oil your hair like once per week or twice per week if you can. I'll be using this coconut natural oil. Like I usually find it like soothing, though it doesn't smell so nice, but it's usually so nice for the dreadlocks rather than the other oil that you just like always be feeling oil in your hair, you know. And then now I'll be working on each lock alone, and to be able to achieve that I'll have to tie all the locks, and then I'll be removing one after the other while I like retouch it. So starting with the first one, the thing that I usually use is the crocheting needle, but then I usually find it so hard to use like this normal crocheting needle because it doesn't hold the lock so well. Like it's so easier with natural locks, but with artificial locks it's so hard. Like let me show you how I usually use this one. So you insert it, then you like insert the lock on the like the sharp part, and then you pull it. So you can find it so difficult to pull. So if you want to use this one, the one that I'll show in a picture, that is the one that is so easy to use. This other one is really hard. So you can see like it takes time to be able to like pull it to the other side, but with the other one you can be able to lock and then pull it so easily. But then you just have to use it. But I'm really gonna try and buy that one because that one was so easy. I've ever used that one. Like I even used it to retouch my brother's locks. Like it's so easy rather than using this normal like crochet needles for like crocheting sweaters, you know. And then after that I'll just use my hands to like rub the lock so that at least all the hairs are just like concentrated in one place. And then after that, that's when I'll apply the wax. I usually use the Sudoso molding gel. So you just take like a little amount of the gel, like just like a small amount to be able to like do a lock so that you just don't waste the entire gel, you know. So you just apply it from the edges of the lock, and then you just rotate it until you feel like it's kind of tight, like you're tightening your hair. But don't also make it so tight because it's usually so painful. Like the locks are usually so painful, you won't even sleep if you make it so tight. So after locking it, if you have a clip, it's so like nice if you have a clip because it will hold it together like for long. But because I don't have a clip, what I'll do, like I'll just place it to the side. Yeah, but if you have a clip will be so easy to like hold all the locks that you've like already done. So what I'll do, I'll place it to the side. Then when I'm making the other lock, I'll take it, do the same thing because I already like crocheted it. I'll just like place the gel roll, and then I'll try and hold the two together so that at least instead of having a clip, I'll be able to like get the thing, like have the two together. So the other thing I'll be using is a different crochet needle because I find the other one was big. The other one was almost size 8 and it wasn't like holding the artificial lock so well. So this is like size 4. Yeah, this is size 4. So because the size 4, like the hook part is so small, you can be able to hold like the hair at the end so well. So you just like insert it on the base of the hair, take the lock and pull it. You can see the way this one is easier than the other one. Yeah, then what you do, you just rotate it, and after rotating, you again apply the gel wax, rotate it, make it tight, and then I'll just like rotate it with the other locks and then place it to the side. And I'll be doing this with each and every dreadlock. But if you're in a hurry, let's say you want to go somewhere, you can just do it like the front row and then the second row, and then like just have the other pieces together and with a band, and no one will notice. Yeah, but then if you have time, you can just do the entire lock. Yeah, so this is me after finishing. Like I did like almost 3 rows Yeah, I did almost 3 rows, and then the other ones I just tied it to the back with a band. Yeah, and then now I'll try and style it. So I took the first 2 rows at the front because I want to style. I took the first 2 rows at the front, and then I'll be styling it in a way that I form twists. Yeah, so I wanted them to like fall on the side because I usually don't like too much hair on my face, so I wanted them to fall on the side. So I divided them into like 6 locks on the second row and 6 locks on the first row. So what I'll do, I'll take 2 locks and like twist them together, but you don't twist them like for them to look long. There's a way that you can twist your hair that it looks long, but there's a way that you can twist it to make it look shorter. So what you do, you twist, but you make sure you like twist by trying to make it as if you're twisting it on the same place. Like, don't move like as if you're moving down. I don't know if you're getting me. Like, you twist it, but you like try and stay in the same place. You just use your finger to like push the dreadlock up. You push it up so that it stays in the same place, and then you just continue rotating. You rotate and push it up in the same place until the end. Yeah. And then when you reach towards the end, you try and twist the little remaining hair on the end so that at least you hold the 2 locks together. So that little remaining hair, you twist it so tightly in the end. Yeah. So this is finally how it looks like. So I'll just try and like style it in a way that it falls to the side. For maybe first side than front. So you just like organize it nicely so that like it falls to the side and it looks so nice. Yeah, so this is it. You can have it like on one side like that, and you just go, you look beautiful. Yeah, I love it, I love it, I love it. The other thing you can do, you can even have hot water so that they look shorter, then you can have it on your forehead. But also if you don't like too much hair on your forehead, you can just like move it a little bit on your forehead and a little bit to the side, something like this. Yeah, yeah. So this is like the final look. This is the final look. Yeah, and you can also do your edges. If you know how to do them edges, you can also do your edges. Though I don't know how to do it so well, but yeah, we gotta do what I gotta do. So I use this brush. This is just a used brush. Yeah, and then you just do them edges so that you look you look pink. You do them edges, and then you can do like both sides. Although this side is covered, but you can still like do it anyways. So you do both sides. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Make sure you watch one of these other videos.